Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the last session of today. I'm Songmei LIAO, a solutions engineer from SuperMap International. I'm very happy to introduce SuperMap's solutions and cases in cadastral management. So let's begin by clarifying what we mean by cadastral. A cadastral is essentially a detailed public record of land ownership, usage, and boundaries. It is foundational to land administration and legal frameworks. Key attributes include accurate land boundaries, ownership info, land use, valuation, restriction, and historical records. These attributes support important functions like protecting the property rights, resolving disputes, fair taxation, and effective land management. The process of land registration isn't simple. It involves many steps and departments. It starts with preparation, such as collecting data, topographic maps, and imagery. Then comes to surveying, capturing accurate measurements of land parcels. Next is data review, inspecting the data, ensuring the process meets the quality and legal standards. The results are stored in a centralized database and lead to various applications. Then registration, recording the rights such as the ownership, usage, contracts, and more. By going through these 4 steps, we can get the basis of modern land administration. This traditional process has some key pain points. First, there is a lack of land tenure security, with many rural land rights unregistered and undocumented. Second, the registration process is complex and slow, often taking over 6 months, with boundaries right and right issues. This contributes to frequent real estate disputes and social frictions. Additionally, weak transaction and management system rely on outdated methods, such as many land register and a lack of transparency. Finally, there is insufficient information sharing, with cadastral data often siloed and hard to access. Modernization aims to address these challenges for stable land administration and growth. SuperMap understands this global challenge deeply. We believe that innovation in cadastral management is not just a technological upgrade, but a cornerstone for national development and a more secure future. We have been fortunate to partner with various countries to address these very issues. Let's look at some examples of how our solutions are making a tangible difference in the real-world scenarios. Our collaboration in Turkey provides an excellent example of how advanced GIS technology can modernize cadastral workflows. Here, SuperMap solutions were instrumental in several key areas. First of all, we facilitate the seamless conversion of vast amounts of existing cadastral data into a unified digital format. Also, these conversion workflows are custom, supporting the different data process requirements. The good point is, the user doesn't need to worry about the intermediate processing. Just simplify the data with one click, which improves the data process efficiency. Thirdly, our technology enabled the interactive visualization of cadastral information in both 2D and 3D environments, providing a richer understanding of land parcels and urban structures. Furthermore, intuitive real-world visualization allows for an intuitive real-world representation of cadastral data, which is crucial for effective urban planning and public engagement. In essence, this project significantly enhanced Turkey's capacity for digital land management, showcasing the power of integrated geospatial solutions. In Thailand, thanks to our team RDSC, our focus was on managing vast and complex urban environments. SuperMap enabled the efficient management of large-scale 3D cadastral models. The key takeaway here is ensuring the seamless performance across multiple terminal types. This means that whether officials are in the office, in the field, or accessing the information via different devices, the system performs reliably, making cadastral information accessible and usable wherever it is needed. This is important for a country with extensive urban areas and a rapidly growing economy. Our work in Mexico highlights the power of data integration and intelligent analytics in cadastral management. The solution effectively integrates multi-source data, bringing together diverse data types, including oblique photography, orthophoto, and satellite imagery, to create a comprehensive cadastral picture. This holistic view is essential for accurate assessment. Furthermore, it displays the city land tax collection status clearly on dashboards, which is a prime example of how cadastral data can directly support municipal finance. By visualizing the tax collection status on intuitive dashboards, authorities can gain immediate insight and make data-driven decisions to optimize the revenue collection. These cases demonstrate the SuperMap's capability to adapt and deliver the robust solutions to various national contexts and specific challenges. Let's now go to the solution itself, SuperMap's cadastral management solution. It is a comprehensive platform that handles every aspect of cadastral lifecycle. Our solution is built upon a robust layer architecture designed for scalability and integration. This diagram shows the overall structure, highlighting the key layers: infrastructure, data resource, application supports at the backbone, with a focus on the application layers and the users, which are the core of our solution. Our users include like government agency, enterprises, institutions, and even the general public. The application of cadastral management is broad, including the cadastral database construction and management, business management, data sharing, land registration and transaction, 3D cadastral map. Due to the limited time, we introduced the key features in this section. So the first one is efficient construction of cadastral database and advanced management capability for data and metadata. Overall business management functionalities, powerful tools for sharing the data across departments, and full 3D support going beyond the flat records. Let's dive into this in more detail. The foundation of any robust cadastral system is accurate and well-structured data. Our cadastral database construction module streamlines this critical process. It covers various survey information types, including like parcel geometry, ownership info, parcel attributes, and like the information on buildings and administrative data. The system can integrate diverse data types such as the vector, raster, and attribute files, ensuring the comprehensive data ingestion. Crucially, we prioritize the data quality inspection through automated process and a powerful custom rule engine, guaranteeing the integrity and accuracy of your cadastral data. Furthermore, our system efficient data maintenance, including the efficient batch data updates and automatic structural integrity checks and repair, ensuring your database can remain consistent and reliable over time. Once your data is constructed, our cadastral database management module empowers a wealth of rich applications. It offers a one-stop for storing the cadastral and historical data, supporting the multi-source management with an integrated interface for efficient query, centralized storage, and dynamic updates. This module provides like visual query and map-based search, which allowing an intuitive searching and retrieval of property information directly from the cadastral map. And we have the professional cadastral cartography that's supporting the creation of high-quality cadastral data map at various scales, such as 1 to 500, 1 to 10,000. And the third one is comprehensive parcel info inquiry, which offering the access to detailed information for each land parcel, including the boundaries, area, and historical data. Next is multi-story building and unit management, enabling the visualization and management of complex property rights within the multi-story buildings, including individual unit plans. Then the last is the integrated parcel maps and certificates that streamline the generation of official parcel maps and land certificates. Building upon the robust data management, our cadastral management solution culminates in powerful advanced analytics and decision support. It seamlessly manages the entire cadastral process online, linking the project establishment, survey, data processing, review, and storage, enabling the historical tracing and collaborative data management. This robust management foundation culminates in powerful statistical analysis, dynamic visualization, and spatial insights, crucial for informed decision-making and strategy planning in urban development, sustainable planning, land tenure security, and so on. I think this is the last time we borrow the slide from Kevin. Yeah, we all know that we can AI power the 3D modeling in just an astonishing 20 minutes. So let's go fast. Building upon our 3D capabilities, SuperMap enabled the volumetric property unit modeling. This is critical for managing complex property rights in multi-story building and high-density urban areas. Our system supports a unified connection of vertically stratified property volumes, allowing for comprehensive management at different levels. From the physical building blocks, such as a physical building of a company, to functional property units, such as the business department or IT department inside the company building, down to the level, and finally to the individual property units, such as a single apartment or an office. This layer and unit-based 3D cadastral model provides an extraordinary clarity in managing complex urban land tenure. The result in this advanced modeling is a powerful 3D cadastral map. This isn't just a static visualization. It's a dynamic environment capable for smooth managing metropolitan-level cadastral information in a 3D world. Imagine navigating an entire city's land record in a truly intuitive spatial context. This 3D environment transforms how you interact with 3D cadastral data. Our 3D cadastral data maps support multi-mode 3D cadastral queries with interactive visualization. You can easily select parcels, view detailed land information, including identification codes, land use, project numbers, and cadastral survey forms. This integrated view combining aerial imagery with parcel data and attribute information provides an unparalleled level of detail for analytics and decision-making. Beyond the current data, our 3D cadastral map also enables historical tracking of spatial changes and the evolution of property rights. This means you can virtually travel back in time to understand how land parcels have changed over years, how ownership has transferred, and how land use has evolved. The historical perspective is invaluable for dispute resolution, urban planning, and ensuring the data integrity. Our approach is guided by key values: data governance given the accurate and trusted information. Automation enables the faster work and fewer errors. The collaborations that enable everyone has access and everyone benefits. And the AI and 3D modeling giving a high performance and high accuracy. The 3D visualization giving a powerful insight through spatial views. To wrap up, SuperMap's cadastral management solution is a tested, powerful approach to land modernization. It brings several benefits, such as increased fiscal revenue by leveraging the tax bureau data to boost tax sources, ensuring the fair and comprehensive property taxation, and enabling you to optimize the land allocation, ensuring the land is used efficiently and profitably for development. Also, the land registration rate can be improved by helping you to identify the unregistered land, bringing the informal properties into the formal system, and subsequently to accelerate the registration process, making it faster and more accessible for citizens to secure their land rights. Last but not least, a significant reduction in land approval cycle. Efficiency in land administration directly impacts the development and investment. We achieve this by working to speed up the approval efficiency. As you can see, our solution has demonstrated capability to reduce this cycle by an impressive 60%, dramatically cutting down the wait times and fostering a more dynamic land market. In conclusion, SuperMaps is committed to be your partner in smart cadastral modernization. Thank you for all your time and attention. We are dedicated to empower the nations worldwide with the tools and expertise to achieve sustainable land management and economy prosperity. We are looking forward to engage with you further. Thank you and wish you have a pleasant journey in China. Thank you again.